Hello, so we're going to go through the answers to lesson 7, plotting straight line graphs using the gradient and intercept method. So question 1 was y equals 3x add 4, the intercept is 4 and the gradient is 3. So plot a point at 4 on the y-axis and then along 1, up 1, 2, 3, along 1, up 1, 2, 3, plot a few points and then join up to make a straight line. Next one, y equals 4x minus 5. So the intercept is negative 5. And then the gradient is positive 4. So along 1, up 1, 2, 3, 4, and again, join them up, make a nice straight line. If you find that your points aren't on a straight line, then you must have done something wrong. You need to go back and just have a look where your mistake is. Next one, y equals x add 5. So your intercept is at 5. This time it's x, but that's actually 1x. So the gradient is 1. So that means along 1, up 1. And then join those up to make a straight line. Next, the intercept for the next one is negative 10. And the gradient is a half. So along 1, up a half. Or you need to go along 2 to go up 1. So that's how I've done it. And then join them up to make a nice straight line. Next one, y equals a third x add 1. So the intercept is at positive 1 and the gradient is a third. So that means along 1, up a third of a unit on the y-axis. And so to go up a full unit, you're going to need to go along 3. So you'll get a more accurate straight line if you do along 3, up 1. And then join up to make a nice straight line. Okay, next we have a negative gradient. So the intercept is at 11 and then negative 2 is the gradient. That means along 1, down 2. Join those up to make a straight line. Then another negative gradient, intercept at 9 and then along 1, down 4. And join those up. And then finally, y equals 4x. So what we've got there is y equals 4x add 0, add nothing. So that means that the intercept is at 0. And then we're going along 1, up 4 because the gradient is 4 as we've got a 4 in front of the x. So join those up, should get a nice straight line.